Got a 2024 Ram 1500. I was sent this center armrest cover from a company called Xinghe. It protects your armrest from getting worn out or scratched up or dirty. Okay, simple unit. Good, nice padding, fake leather. You can see, wraps around your center console. This hooks over on it and latches into place. Okay, I'm going to install it now, show you what it looks like, and we're going to take it from there. If you have a wild lion that looks like this, that likes sitting on the armrest, this cover is made for you. This wild beast right here will dig in and do some damage to your console. That's why we call him Hulk. You're going to pop your cover open like so. Don't mind the mess in there. Put it over, first strap, second strap. You're going to work it down. Third strap. Work it all the way down to the bottom, like so. Third strap goes around like so. You're gonna, don't close it all the way, you're gonna pull it down. Work it all the way down till you get to your corners. It's gonna have a snug fit. Like so. Open it up. Keep working it down. Just like so. You're gonna take your top strap. It just clips around there. Right around there. Nice and tight. Nice and installed. Goes up and down, no problem. Makes it a little bit firmer to close, but it's not going to damage anything. You're going to have good protection here. It feels good on the arms. Good quality. So when it's all said and done, you got a happy pet. Got these razor sharp claws all in check and won't damage your center console, your armrest. Well done. Like I said, this company is called Xinghe. And in the video description, I will have a link to where you could get your own. Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Hope that video helped you. If it did, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Spread the word. The more the merrier. Take care, fellas. Peace.